guys, Skyler1640 here. I'm back with another video. Today I want to show you a review on the ARC, the ARC King 5000 BTU air conditioner. Down here we have some controls here. I bought this at Walmart. It was on sale for $116. Depends on where you live, they have a sale. This unit is great. It only uses about, let me find the, your energy bill will be like $40 a year or so. That's what it says on the Energy Star rated it for. Now you have your controls here. You got high cool. You control it here. You got low cool. Low cool is when you turn low cool, it turns down the fan. Then when you turn it on high cool, the fan blows faster. Then you have some controls here to turn the direction of where you want the air pointed at. This room was so hot, you guys. I was miserable in this room. You guys can see my room here. It's a little bit messy. Here's my room here, and it comes with here are the temperature controls right here. You can flip it back and forth. All right, I keep going 6.5 temperature. Go over here, then I'll turn on max because you have freezing up the air conditioning unit. So you can get these at Walmart, and it comes with. And if you are wondering what kind of plug it comes with, it comes with a 3-prong plug. It has a ground prong on it, and the ground prong goes in there. Then it connects to the two just regular socket plugs. So. And it has a filter over here. Get the filter out. You guys can see it comes with a filter, and knock it back in place. Try not to tear it up. And it comes with this ceiling stuff for your windows. And you got to position the air conditioner at an angle as well. So I give this 5 stars. I mean, it's cooling down our room. This is the size room we have right here. You guys can see your stuff strewn everywhere. I need to clean up in here. Here's the user guide. The user guide manual here, which suggests here's the user guide for all your stuff you need. User manual, you know, basically know the basic functions of it. Pretty simple. So this Arctic King Air, it says wait 30 minutes before restarting, which you wait 3 minutes. Wait until the water dissipates from the condenser. Wait until it drains, then start up again. So, hope you guys enjoy my review on the ARC King 5000 BTU unit. Hope you guys enjoy. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. 5000 BTU unit. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.